Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. This video is for AMC Entertainment Holding. I've been talking about this stock, and when I last made a video, my recent video, it's about that the stock is probably trying to make its bottom or in a probable zone where it can show a bounce back. Now things turns volatile. It's not like it hasn't worked in the same way. It does moved up, and it went up to 14 or $15. But because with the current volatility what we have in the market right now, and could probably be there for the next couple of weeks as well, because of lots of things that are happening in the market, and stock market doesn't like uncertainties. So until and unless those things get cleared up, market will remain volatile. There will be a move, but it will take time. Now if you're looking at the construct of this stock, do check out my previous videos, because when I started talking about this stock, it was not even trading at $2. Okay, it was trading at or above $2, and since then it's been a rise till 18 or $20 on the upside, and the stock gone flat because it has a correction from $20 till $5, and it's been again going up and currently trading at $10. Now if you are holding up since the lower end of 2021, you are actually in profit and made a rise of or profit of 450%. It's not like 900 or 1000%, but it's a decent amount of rise, or I would say it's a very good rise if a stock is moving 400 and 50%, and that's after a big correction and irrespective of volatility. Now having said that, the two most thing to understand in this particular trend is something like this. First, the market will remain volatile, and so does the stock, and you can see a range inside which the stock is currently trading. Okay, uh, kind of range has been shaped up over a period of last couple of weeks, and it's been very prominent over here. So you can see something like this. So this is a good thing, I would say, because if it is holding the support level, and if it respecting the resistance level, and things work out on both the sides technically, so it's a good thing. Now you can see how the level is looking like. Now one more thing, we are not going to be a very bullish person unless it cross its last high of $20. If it sustain and crosses above $21, let's say, by itself, then we will turn out the table and say the rally on the upside or the stock move on the upside has again resumed. But for the time being, a clear cut trend has, I think, already emerged, where you have your support at $9.2. Don't try to go below this, and your target will be in between 16 and $20. Reason being, because we don't know whether it will go like this or this. Okay, so we have a target which will be in between 16 and $20 on the upside, and that's what we are looking at for the time being. Let's see whether it's going to be. So there are two or three probable moves. First, it will go and hit the range and again fall back. Second, it will go and hit this one and falls back. Third, it will crossed or bisect $16, $20, and made a big move. All these three things are possible. What you need to make sure is only one thing, is stock must not go below $9. Otherwise it is a clear violation of the trend on the downside. In that case one should not carry any further position on the downside. but till the time it is holding as it is holding right now, we have a swinging top. Even though it is volatile, but we do have a swinging top on the upside, and chances are this stock AMC Entertainment Holding will again retest its previous high of $20, and then we will reanalyze the chart again once the breakout happens. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.